Sotomayor. O'Connor un first woman as first distinction, often to be the first. But I do not want to be end. He said. For USA every background and aspiration for others. Sandra said. Sotomayor said. Where women could undertake any challenge. That men could have themselves do with grace. Sotomayor said. President Ronald Reagan presented Supreme Court candidate Sandra Day O'Connor to press members on July 15, 1981 at Rose Garden in White House. A.P. O'Connor's body stopped after removing the court steps with his 7 grandchildren who served as honorary pallet carriers. The funeral services are held at the Washington National Cathedral, which is planned to talk about President Joe Biden and Chief Justice John Roberts for Tuesday. O'Connor was nominated by President Ronald Reagan 1981 and approved by Senate and ended 191-year-old male exclusion in Supreme Court. He would be called most powerful woman country. Sotomayor said O'Connor had a extraordinary understanding of the American people and never saw how the Supreme Court decisions affected ordinary Americans. In addition, regular lunch, barbecue and trips to the theater was effective in bringing together Justice Sandra Day O'Connor is seen rooms in the U.S. Supreme Court on October 5, 1981, 10 days after becoming first female Justice Court. David Hume Kennerly O'Connor. Usually in disagreements with federal government, and when they encountered allegations violating rights of people, usually had a significant impact on 9-member court. The decisions that confirm and reconfirm Roe Wade help to create majority. O'Connor grew up by jumping, rolling cattle, driving trucks and tractors at the expanding Arizona farm of the family. Developed a stubborn, independent spirit. In 1952, he graduated from Stanford's Faculty of Law, but he quickly discovered that most of the major law companies did not hire women. A Los Angeles company offered him a job as a secretary. At age of 51, he founded career with a member of the Legislative Assembly and state judge before he was appointed to Supreme Court. When he first came, there was not even a female bathroom near the courtroom. This was corrected soon, but until 1993, the court remained the only woman. He changed something, he said. 62-year-old Karen DeMario of Lake, Illinois. His husband Joe DeMario, 63, and centralist reasoning was a political, strong legal. O'Connor retired at age of 75 and stated that his husband was the first reason to leave court for his struggle against Alzheimer's disease. John O'Connor in 2009, 3 years later, after retirement, he regretted that a woman was not chosen instead. President Barack Obama gave Medal of Presidential Freedom, highest civil dignity of country, in Phoenix. He of complications about advanced dementia and respiratory disease. Among his remaining people, 3 sons Scott, Brian and Jay, 6 grandchildren and a brother. The family asked for a donation to the group.